Hi friends, today we are going to learn and write English alphabets, capital and small. A, capital A, small letter A, capital letter B, small letter B, capital letter C, small letter C, capital letter D, small letter D, capital letter E, small letter E, capital letter F and small letter F, capital letter G, small letter G, capital letter H and small letter H, capital letter I, small letter I, capital J, small letter J, capital K, small letter K, capital letter L, small letter L, capital letter M, small letter M, capital letter N, small letter N, capital letter O, small letter O, capital letter P, small letter P, capital letter Q, small letter Q, capital letter R, small r, capital S, small letter S, capital letter T, small letter T, capital letter U, small letter U, capital letter V, small letter V, capital letter W, small letter W, capital letter X, small letter X, capital letter Y, small letter Y, capital letter Z, small letter Z. Thanks for watching, friends.